What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And man, oh man, it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but I think this is a more important one. Remember, as always, I like to preface by saying, never financial advice by any means, just putting you guys on the plays that I'm in. If you are new around here, consider smashing the like button down below and subscribing to the channel. Now, the entire cryptocurrency market has just been kind of in a huge lull. We saw yesterday that CPI came out at 3.7%, which is higher than expected. So inflation is still not under control with all the interest rate hikes that the Federal Reserve has been doing over the last, 16, 17 months now. But regardless, what I want to touch on is just kind of the global cryptocurrency market as a whole. But in addition, the thing that I've been seeing a lot of is what's going on with SHIB? What's happening to SHIB? Where is SHIBAINU? Why is SHIB stuck? Now, the one thing you need to start paying attention to when it comes to any cryptocurrency in the entire market is the 24-hour trade volume. You see that Bitcoin has right around $13 billion of trade volume. Ethereum about 5.5 billion. If you scroll down a little bit more, you see USDT has 21 billion. Seems pretty significant. But let's go into more speculative assets like SHIBAINU, $75 million of trade volume. For those of you who aren't aware or weren't a part of the 2021 bull run or even the 2017 to 2018 rally that we saw, both of those, we would typically see hundreds of billions of dollars of trade volume across the entire cryptocurrency market. So when you have low volume in the market, that means that there isn't really sufficient liquidity for us to see swings both in the upward and downward trajectories. And with SHIB specifically, I think it's just a lot of investors have been let down time and time again, including myself. I've been frustrated. And when I'm frustrated, I don't typically like to come out and just start making videos or making content around the concept or idea of not feeling very positive about a project, right? If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. I still hold my SHIB, of course. I haven't sold even when it was at its all-time high back in 2021. But SHIB is down 40% on the year. And if we look at the all-time chart from where we were sitting at, I think it was nearly a 90,000 Satoshi unit, and now we're sitting at 7,300, we're down pretty significantly. A lot of investors did go into SHIB during October of 2021. And so did they also come into Ethereum back in 2021 at 4,500. And I put out a tweet just for laughs and giggles, but there was a lot of truth to it too. And I wrote here, just as a funny little meme that I found, it says, "Mom, text message, fix it now. This is why we don't love you. You told us to buy Ethereum with an I at 4,000 and now it's $1,000. And there's a lot of people who are frustrated. There's a lot of investors out there that are just not understanding what it's like to be in a part of the market where it's not so fun, where volume is down, where people aren't excited. But I kid you guys not. If you have a plan and you have a strategy, the most money is made when you start to dollar cost average, DCA, DCA, DCA. And that's the closest to financial advice that I could give. And to any asset that you have purchased, it's fun to trade meme coins, right? It's enjoyable. It's short term, most of the time short lived. One day you're up, the next day you're down. It's understood. But I think for the most part, when it comes to Bitcoin, that's where my safe bet is. You have Ethereum, some of the big dogs, including SHIB, the pioneer, right? People look at it as Dogecoin being ranked 8th. But I think, again, volume is down. But right now, when nobody's talking about crypto, when volume is completely dry, this is the time to get things on a significant discount. You got to make your own research on which cryptocurrencies to buy, right? You guys know what my favorites are. But even with XRP Ripple, you have Ethereum, you have Bitcoin, you have SHIBAINU, all of these that will potentially go back to the all-time highs and beyond when volume picks back up. And I think right now, because we're looking at it from an economic standpoint, the global economy is still hurting from what happened during the pandemic. It was eased through stimulus checks that were given here in the United States and eased due to the fact that the Feds completely just cut interest rates for a really long time to make sure that people continue to thrive and the economy keeps going. But now where all the pain that was collected during that time is coming back. So With that being said, I make this video to let you all know that I think regardless of what people are saying regarding FUD, maybe it's not the best time to trade actively, but it's maybe a good time to start considering looking into some of the bigger assets in the market, the top 10, top 20. Find the ones that sit with you well, proof of work, or if it's proof of stake, you decide which ones you want. But I think, again, Bitcoin is one of those that are safe proof. And I think that $500,000 Bitcoin price target will be hit one day. I appreciate you guys so much. That's all I had for you guys today. And until next time, everybody, as always, keep investing. Peace.